Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a necklace reveal from Pearl Bath Bombs. This is their Life Potion Cauldron. I was able to get this for only $10. They had a bunch of their Halloween bath bombs on sale a while back. Could still be on sale depending on when you see this video. But generally their bath bombs are $16 or a little bit more, so $10, pretty good deal. And the fragrance notes for this one is wild currants, dried berries, and warm sandalwood. I just kind of thought it smelled like soap. I couldn't really pick up on any of those fragrance notes. And a lot of times their bath bombs, you could smell them, but they're not overly fragrant and potent as a lot of the other companies. So it just has like a light, subtle fragrance. But they generally are very moisturizing, and they use a lot of oils in their bath bombs. And this one does have a necklace inside. It's supposed to be a Black Druzy Necklace. There is a picture of it on their website, and that's the exact same one I got, so I think it may be the only option for this bath bomb. But I thought I did a pretty good job with it. Cute bath bomb. They definitely took time, designing it, painting it, and stuff like that. And it left the bath water looking like red wine. And inside there is a piece of paper, and you could enter that code on your website or on their website. It doesn't tell you how much the jewelry appraises for, but it gives you Pearl points, which is their reward system. You can save those up and then redeem them for free bath bombs. So here's the necklace. It is adjustable, and it has Black Druzy crystals on it, a little textured on the back of it. So yeah, overall, pretty cute. So if you guys would like to order anything from Pearl Bath Bombs, I do have their website linked below, and a playlist, and all sorts of other videos if you'd like to see more reveals. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.